My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volvo XC90. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and automatic headlights as features, and on the right we have voice control. On the first page of our home screen, we have our applications. This includes car status, driver performance, download center, and Bluetooth. On the second page, we have our main features, navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our car status. Our final page is our car functions. This includes things like park assist, distance alert, lane keeping aid, and if we click here, we can access our climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. Just below the screen, we have our drive mode button. This allows us to switch between our 4 different driving modes: eco for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use, off-road for rough road, and dynamic for high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.